So here we are on theentertainerme.com. So we can have a quick look at the promo code options. So the important things are, if you're already a member, even if your product run out, sign in. Make sure that you're logged in for the right location for the product that you want. So in this case, Dubai North Emirates. So obviously it describes the buy one get one free, blah blah blah. So this is Select Entertainer. So they've simplified the product range for 24. So in Dubai you've got two options: Entertainer 24, Entertainer GCC. GCC. So the difference is this product is only Dubai and Northern Emirates. So it says you get 7,000 offers. On the GCC, you get 20,000 offers because it covers Abu Dhabi, Qatar, KSA, Bahrain, Oman, Kuwait, as well as Dubai. So the promo code works on all the products, even Singapore, apart from Entertainer Dubai. So if you want Entertainer Dubai, but you want to use the promo code, you have to use buy the GCCC. It's actually good value because you can also get the Abu Dhabi offers in. Of course, if all you want is Dubai, then all you need to do is buy at 595, but you won't get the promo code yet. Okay, this also includes what used to be fine dining, and just very quickly, they don't have the short-term offers now with the tourists, so you've generally just got the 1 year 2024 per year, back to basics as it was in the old days. So if we was to say buy now for Entertainer GCC, the important thing here, before you do anything, you need to ensure that you agree to these terms. Secondly, if you're interested in cheers, i.e. alcoholic drinks, you have to click this. Even if you're browsing the app and you haven't got the product, it will not show you alcohol offers until you opt in, for various reasons. You can also say here, enable auto renewal. It says you get an exclusive 10% discount at the website price. Me personally, I'd leave that. For no other reason, I'm just not a fan of auto renewals. I'd like to see what I'm getting at that time, maybe stop the membership and see if there's a better deal around. Sometimes auto renewal doesn't always get you the best deal. Sometimes it can, but for now I'd rather suck it and see. So you can see that the offer at the minute is 795. So if we type in Echo Delta Sierra Delta 24, so that's EDSD 24, apply, and you'll see it knocks off 10%, 75.71, and it brings it down to 715.50. Okay, so that's how to use the promo code. Now obviously I've already got the product, so I don't want to pay twice, but before you press the button, definitely press that if you want to get the drinks offers, and it's worth it because at the minute there's about 260 something offers across Dubai and Abu Dhabi. 60 odd I think it is at present in Abu Dhabi, and the rest are in Dubai. So that's it, that's the Entertainer promo code. Thank you.